Hello, good evening, my dear students. Okay, this is the seventh question in chemical coordination and integration, 4 marks. Why does sugar appear in urine of diabetic patient? Okay, we nowadays we frequently hear the term diabetic whenever we go to any function. Okay, when people are serving their serving the food. Okay, some people say that don't serve me sweet, I have sugar. Okay, why the what is the why diabetic patient urine has sugar means here glucose. Okay, diabetes mellitus, it is characterized by, it is given in 2020 NEET exam. Diabetes mellitus is characterized by prolonged hyperglycemia. Okay, in a person, okay, for example, some of your relatives may be suffering from this one. Okay, there is no cure for this one. Okay, it is a metabolic disorder, and here prolonged hyperglycemia, that means elevated glucose levels exist in their blood for a long time. Okay, it is due to why this problem arises, because their pancreas is not producing enough insulin. It is due to hyposecretion, that means not enough secretion of insulin. Okay, lower production of insulin, or hyposecretion of insulin, or insulin resistance. It is maybe due to insulin resistance, that means the receptors which respond to the insulin hormone, okay, sometimes they may not work. Okay, insulin regulates the normal glucose level. Okay, what is the function of insulin? It regulates the normal glucose level in our blood. It acts mainly on the liver cells and adipocytes, hepatocytes and adipocytes. And those cells take the, for example, you have taken lunch or breakfast. After taking breakfast, after 1.5 hour or 2 hours, if you check your blood glucose levels before breakfast and after having breakfast, after give a gap of 1.5 hour, your blood glucose levels increase. Okay, immediately, okay, this hormone is released into your blood, and this hormone goes to kidney, it goes to liver, and in the adipose tissue it acts on liver cells, hepatocytes and adipocytes, and therefore those cells take more the blood glucose into their cells, into the cytoplasm of those cells. Therefore the glucose levels decrease. That happens every time, all the day, throughout our life. Glucose is taken up by hepatocytes, skeletal muscles, and adipocytes, thus reducing the level of glucose in the blood. Okay, that is the thing that happens all the time in our body. Generally, insulin helps in conversion of glucose. The blood glucose is converted to glycogen, then it is stored in the skeletal muscles and in the liver cells. In the adipocytes, it is converted to fat. Generally, insulin helps in the conversion of glucose to glycogen, which is called glycogenesis, which is stored in the liver. But what happens in the diabetic patients? Increased level of glucose or sugar in the blood is filtered by the glomerulus of the kidney, and because of incomplete reabsorption of this glucose, that glucose comes out through urine. It results in excretion of sugar in the urine, glucose in, that is called glycosuria.